everyone. I am Comrade Shameel Brown, the chairman of the People's National Party Welfare Commission. The People's National Party has a mandate to take care of the wellness and well-being of our party members. There are three main areas that we focus on. Firstly, health advocacy. As such, we had the launch of the Welfare Commission for the political year in the form of a health fair at the PNP headquarters. We provided free screening of blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol tests. We had free eye testing, free prostate cancer screening, amongst other things. Additionally, we focus on outreach initiatives. We had our first outreach project at the Clifton Boys Home where we went to Westmoreland. We visited the home and we brought a bunch of donations for the staff and the boys there. And thirdly, we are focused on compassionate support. As a party, we believe it is important to take care of each other and to be there for comrades in good times and in bad times. This Christmas season, we'll be coming into your communities where we'll be honoring 300 stalwarts who have contributed years of service to our political movement. After all, time comes for a very Merry Christmas.